Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Listen, what I want to show you is a tool that you can put together your next online course in record time. Matter of fact, you can probably put together a full online course in less than 30 minutes. There is no other tool out there like it. I love what they do. This has 6 tools in one platform. We're going to take a look inside and I'm going to show you the best deal that you can get on it right now. So let's take a good walkthrough and you let me know in the comments below if this is a powerful tool. I already know it's a powerful tool. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. All right, there's a lot of moving parts to this. We're going to just concentrate on the course making abilities. Let's go to the lesson architecture. I did do another video. I'll post that up top where I did talk about some of the other elements. But let's right here, we're going to create a course. This is only going to take us 30 minutes. Again, how to retire on a budget. It asks you the course title. You tell them, hey, I want to put a course together. What level do I want to put together? And then, I say, you know what, let's do an outline. Okay, so how many chapters or modules? Again, we're trying to put together a quick course here. I think 10 is too long. Yeah, let's make it short. Let's do 5. We want to make something real quick and dirty for a course. Let's put 6 in there. All right, so what kind of format do I want? Let's just do slides, right? We can talk over some slides or some PowerPoint slides or something like that. Or you can select a Coursera type of outline. And how long? Yeah, we'll just do the Coursera. And I want it to be 3 hours, right? And let's generate it, right? This is just a lesson architecture. I need to develop a course from scratch in record time. I load all this in there. AI is helping me put together a course, right? How long did this take? I don't know. 10 seconds. We're at 15 seconds now. Boom. I got my course already written. I got all my modules. You see your module 1, module 2, module 3. It put the modules and things together for me already, right? We asked for module 6, which is our conclusion. We asked for the 3 hours and it breaks each module down into time, right? Or you can copy and paste it, or you can copy it and save it to another schedule. Listen, people, if you're trying to create a course, this is the fastest way to create a course. I haven't seen any other way that allows you to do what this tool can do, right? And so if I wanted to research a book, I had another person ask me, hey, I want to research a book. I want to write a book. This is perfect for that as well. I just put in there retirement. Let's do a research. Let's see what the books are out there. What are they saying? All right. So it's going out there. It's looking for all the books. This is the book that it came up with. Look is what is going on here. It's giving me everything I needed to know about this book. The description is telling me what kind of rating it got, and it's giving me the contents of the book. People, this is powerful. If you're trying to create a course, create a book, create any type of content that you want to resell, if you wanted to do an ebook, any of that type of, you're going to get ideas. If you're running out of ideas, this will give you ideas. You can mix and match different titles and things like that together. This gives you everything. I'm telling you, this tool, as I work with it, I've been able to put together a few. I have 4 courses out now in one discipline, and I have 3 courses out in another discipline. So I have over 7 courses out over 2 different disciplines, right? All right, so let me go ahead and get out of here. All right, so let's go back. All right, so again, let's look at just some of the other areas that they have. Again, I have a video up above or below that looks at the others side of this tool and gets into the details and the nitty gritty. But let me see how retirement is ranked. Let's do a quick SEO title search. Let's do a title rank in SEO, right? And I just put in retirement, right? And this has built-in tools. You can research, you can do all of the things you need to do to see. Again, here we go. Let's look at what is the trend. How are things trending? How is this? Are people actually looking for this title, right? You can go here and you can see the volume, right? You can see what the cost per click is. Is there demand for that? You can look at what the competition is for that. This is a research monster, right? And the only reason why I'm different. I'm not like all the other channels. I own and I eat my own dog food. I have all the tools that I'm telling you about. These are the exact tools that I use. You can ask me anything about them. You can ask me in the comments anything about them. But I use all these same tools because I'm a marketer as well. I'm a digital marketer as well. I have to create content, and I love creating content. And this is one of the best tools that I found for creating content. This is unbelievable. So much information. Information is king. I think we know that. And what they're saying now is the new billionaires will come from content creators. This is what some of the professionals are saying. This is what Mr. Beast and some of these other guys are saying. Now we've taken a look at the tool. Let's take a look at what it costs you to get the tool. Now, if you just so happen to be fortunate and have an Appsumo Plus exclusive, you can pick up this tool right now for a one-time cost of $99. If you do not have an exclusive, I'll put a link in there for you to sign up for Plus if you want to get that as well. But I'll also put a link in there to this directly to here. If you do not have Plus, then you can pick it up and it's going to cost you $140. That's the difference in having Plus. If you do have Plus, and if you're trying to figure out what is Appsumo, I'm going to put a link in there what Appsumo is, or I'll put a link up above what is Appsumo. It is a place where you get software at discounted prices. You pay a one-time cost. You no longer need to pay it anymore, and they have a 60-day money-back guarantee. So we're going to look at the deal again. The deal has, there's over 800,000 course topics. To get 800,000 course topics just for $99 is just unbelievable as it is. You get a course library, book search, all of that stuff. You can pick it up right now. There's a code below. If I brought this to you, I want you to comment below if you didn't even know this tool had this much power. I picked up this tool last year, and every single week seems like they're adding something to this tool. Very, very, very good purchase. I'll put a link below. You can pick that up. But I'm glad you checked out this video. Until next time, I got something really juicy coming up next week. I wanted to put it out this week, but I had to let you know what was going on with this particular tool. Again, this has been Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Until next time, you guys take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You're going to miss what I have coming for you next week. Take care. Goodbye for now.